Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will tell you guys how to get subscribers on YouTube very fast. In this video, I will give you guys some great apps for recording, creating thumbnails, and for streaming. How to get subscribers. What we will talk about. Thumbnails app for you guys. How to get subscribers very fast. Trending. Streaming apps for you guys. How to get public watch hours. You guys probably searched up how to get 1,000 subscribers or how to get 4,000 public watch hours. Well, guess what? 1,000 subscribers are easier to get than 4,000 public watch hours. You want your audience to get inspired in your videos. Topic 1. Thumbnails. Firstly, choose a great thumbnail. Just look at the thumbnails above. The thumbnail which is on the left side looks very cool, and most people are going to click on that thumbnail. This app is for making thumbnails. If you want to get it, you can. Photoshop 2021 Adobe. Just look at it. From my perspective, the left thumbnail looks more cooler. This is the app. Photoshop 2021 Adobe. This is the logo here. PS Photoshop 21 Adobe is an app for making thumbnails, editing photos, and more. Now let's talk about the second way how you can inspire people to your channel. Topic 2. How to gain subscribers very fast. For example, you post gaming videos, then the next day a game got launched out. Now everybody plays the game. This game is very famous. Now the game is trending on YouTube. Then you decide to post a video about that game after an hour. You go to your channel and you see you got 2,000 subscribers. To summarize that paragraph, post a video that is trending. Like 6 months ago, Among Us was trending and I posted a video about it on my channel, on my main channel, Captain SSA17. Before I posted the video, I had 110 subscribers. After I posted the video, I got 634 subscribers. That trending game video got 63,000 views. This is the video I'm talking about. This is the thumbnail and this is the video image. I'll show you guys the video. But anyways, my highest viewed video before I posted this video had 215 views. But look at it right now, 63k. So this is the video I'm talking about. This video. Right here. This is the video. It's a Among Us animation. You can post a video about it. Doesn't matter. It's on my main channel. Subscribe to my main channel, guys, please. Thank you very much for the support. Okay. Anyways, guys, this is a video animation. Captain SSA17 is my main YouTube channel, and that animation isn't mine. It's from somebody else. But the reason I didn't get copyrighted is because I gave credit in my comments. You can give the credit in description or comments. I would suggest giving the credit in description. Topic 3. Streaming apps for you guys. If you want to stream, you can. But I don't know what app to use. Okay, well, you can stream with OBS Studio. This is the logo for OBS Studio. If you don't know how to use the app, you can search it on YouTube tutorials on how to use OBS Studio. There's also a website you can stream with. Just search this website on Chrome. HTTPS, as you guys can read it. And this is the logo for the website. This is a different streaming app, and then this also is a different streaming app. Topic 4. How to get public watch hours. Public watch hours take a long time to get, which isn't that easy. But make at least 10-minute YouTube videos if you want to get public watch hours very fastly. For example, one person watches that whole 10-minute video, so you'll get 10 minutes. But if 10 people watch that video for 10 minutes, then that's an hour, so you just gained a public watch hour. See, you guys get it? Guys, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please subscribe. Guys, thank you very much for the support. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Captain SSA17. You can subscribe to me on my main channel. My main channel is called Captain SSA17, guys. Thank you very much for the support.